Video tutorial on communication connection between SAKO E-Sun 3 kW inverter with BMS and lithium battery. Step 1. Connect the positive and negative poles of the battery to the circuit breaker. Step 2. We open the protective cover of the inverter. AC input, AC output, battery plus, PV input. Step 3. Connect the positive and negative poles of the inverter to the air switch. Step 4. Connect to the PV terminal. Step 5. Connect the input terminal and output terminal of the alternating current. Step 6. Install the inverter protective cover. Step 7. Communication connection between lithium batteries and inverters. Step 8. Turn on the lithium battery switch, the air switch, and the inverter switch in sequence. After powering on, we see that the voltage of the inverter, powered only by the lithium battery, is 230 volts. After powering on, we see that the voltage of the inverter, powered only by the lithium battery, is 230 volts. AC input is enabled, and the input voltage value can be seen. Press and hold the Confirm key to enter the settings page. Turn to page 5. Press the Confirm key and select the lib item. Turn to page 10 and select the pile item. Press the Confirm key, then press the back key. Next, we will set up the BMS Communication protocol for the lithium battery. Enter password 61-second. 5485 protocol selection, SAKO. After setting the content, check whether the BMS communication is successful, and long press the return key. At this point, seeing the battery voltage and battery level display indicates that the BMS communication connection has been successfully established. Press page up and page down to view the relevant parameter information.